How to create a Telegram account without a phone number. In this short video, I'll guide you on how to create a Telegram account without using your personal phone number. If you've ever felt uneasy sharing your phone number or simply want to keep your personal number private, you're not alone. Many users want to use Telegram but don't want to expose their phone numbers. If that explains you, then there's a simple solution that will make your life easier. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. With our years of experience, we've helped countless users navigate similar challenges, including setting up secure and private accounts on popular platforms. Now, let's get started on using Telegram without phone number. To start, download the Telegram app from your device's App Store and install it as you normally would. Instead of using your personal number, you'll need a temporary or virtual phone number. There are several free texting apps that provide this, such as Google Voice, Text Free, or Pinger. You can also use virtual phone number services like TextNow, Hushed, or Burner that provide temporary or permanent numbers for online use. Choose the one that works best for your needs and download it from the App Store. In this example, we'll be using TextNow. Open the TextNow app and create a new account to receive a temporary phone number. Once set up, make a note of the number you've been assigned. Now, return to Telegram and launch the app. When signing up and you're prompted to input your phone number, enter the temporary number from TextNow app. Telegram will send a verification code to this number. Go back to your TextNow app to retrieve the verification code, then enter it into Telegram. Once verified, you can proceed to complete the setup of your Telegram account as usual by adding your name, profile picture, and start connecting. Before we continue, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more tech tips like this. Now, let's finish setting up your Telegram account with this method. Congratulations! You've successfully created a Telegram account without using your personal phone number. To explore more Telegram video tutorials, click this card. Check the description below and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for tuning in.